Hey, what's going on? Mike Hobbs here. And normally, when you think of Dave Ramsey or George Kamel, you think of finance topics, but I want to show you something behind the business side of his business. I want to show you a quick little clip, and this is super powerful for anyone who's doing marketing in any kind of way. You're going to learn something great right here.
Ooh. Well, we're big at Ramsey on being platform agnostic. And so while we're always going to be on every platform that will have us, we also never hedge all of our bets on that. We don't put all of our eggs in a basket. And so, for example, we build our own email lists because we want to have some level of control over communicating with our audience. So if a social media platform goes down, or if Twitter ceases to exist and becomes X and no one uses it anymore, we're like, oh crap, we built a huge platform on Twitter or Vine, and now all those people are gone. And so we always want to drive them into our world, even though it may start on YouTube or podcast. And so that's what we've done really well. And so we have email lists of millions of people that we can talk to, and we have their information because they'll purchase a book from our website or go through Financial Peace University, or they're a user of Every Dollar. And so I think driving people into your world, and like Graham has done a good job of this with his newsletter.
Yeah.
He owns that email list, and I think that's really wise to do versus just putting everything in on YouTube and they change one algorithm and your advertising model just changed drastically, and that decimated your income. So I think it's wise to be diversified and have a course over here and an advertiser here and be on TikTok and YouTube. But I also think it's wise to go all in on your thing and not feel like you have to be doing everything.
Right.
So owning your audience in that way of like an email list, but also knowing what you're good at. So like we talked about this, you're like, I'm not really trying to go big on TikTok.
Right.
You could do really well over there, but it would also steal your attention away from other things.
Right.
And so knowing what your strengths are and going all in on that while making sure that you don't lose your audience on one platform.
All right, how powerful is that? There's someone that's not even in the internet marketing niche. They're doing finance topics, and he tells you the importance of not relying on these platforms for marketing. Get people on your email list. And there's actually a whole bunch of leaders out there that are telling people, screw the email list and just focus on social media these days. And Dave Ramsey and George Kamel, they've got it down to a science, and they know the importance of having an email list. So don't ever get rid of that. You need to be in control. And so that if anything ever happens to these platforms, you have a way to communicate with your audience. So if you got value from this and you want some more free resources on internet marketing, you can go over to seekprosperity.com. I have a whole bunch of free resources you can download there. Make it a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.